Imagine reading a research paper where every claim feels solid, every conclusion feels trustworthy. That confidence comes from one thing: strong statistical basics. Behind every published study lies a silent engine called statistics, turning raw data into meaningful insights. It all begins with understanding your data type. Are you dealing with numbers like age and blood pressure, or categories like gender and diagnosis? This simple distinction decides everything that follows. Then comes the concept of a sample. Because studying an entire population is often impossible, researchers rely on a smaller representative group. But here's the catch: if your sample is biased, your entire study collapses, no matter how advanced your analysis is. Now step into the world of averages: mean, median, and mode. They may sound basic, but they tell very different stories. A single outlier can distort the mean, while the median often reveals the true center. And variability? That's where standard deviation comes in, showing how spread out your data really is. But statistics in publication go far beyond description. They're about proving something. That's where hypothesis testing enters. Every study starts with a null hypothesis, essentially assuming nothing is happening. Your job is to challenge that assumption with evidence. And then comes the famous p-value, the most misunderstood number in research. A p-value less than 0.05 is often celebrated, but it doesn't mean your result is true. It simply means your findings are unlikely to be due to chance. Pair that with confidence intervals, which give a range of possible values, and suddenly your results gain depth, not just significance. Choosing the right test is equally critical. Use a t-test for comparing two groups, ANOVA for more than two, and correlation when exploring relationships. The wrong test can mislead readers, reviewers, and even your own conclusions. But here's what truly separates publishable research from average work: clarity and transparency. Reporting your methods, assumptions, and limitations honestly builds credibility. Because in the end, statistics isn't about impressing with complex formulas. It's about telling the truth with data. And when done right, it transforms your research from just numbers on a page into evidence the world can trust.